There have been some recent changes to the UK immigration law, visa, and everything. So I want you to stay tuned, watch this video till the end, because all these changes I'm going to be talking about is very important, regardless whether you're still in the UK or outside the UK. As long as you're planning on coming to the UK or you're living in the UK, please watch this video till the end. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Faith Ojone, and on this channel I share my life experience living in the UK, share latest updates like this concerning the UK, the changes that you should be aware of as an immigrant, and I also share story times of things happening in the UK. Once in a while I share pathway on how you can move to other countries as well. So if these are the kind of content that interests you, hit the subscribe button down below, turn on your notification bell so you do not miss any of my videos. Without saying so much, let's get started. So yesterday, the UK government officially published the new visa fee increase. There's been an increase to the visa fee effective from the 4th of October 2023. So if you're living in the UK, you are planning on renewing your visa, just know that you'll be paying slightly higher visa fee right now. And if you're outside the UK, you are planning to apply for a visa to come into the UK, the visa fee has changed effective from the 4th of October 2023. That is next month. I'll share the link to the recent visa fee increase in the description box below. Also, if you're planning on applying for priority or super priority visa, they have increased as well. So if you're in a hurry to get your visa, you want to get it within 5 days or 7 days, there's an increase as well. The next thing I want to talk about is ILR. So there have been speculations that the UK government is planning to increase the amount of time you spend in the UK for you to qualify to apply for your indefinite leave to remain. Some ministers are saying to the government that the UK is a precious country and they want to protect their country. So that way, with the new increase of migrants coming into the UK from other countries outside the EU, there has to be a reform on the time you spend to get your indefinite leave to remain. They feel that the 5 years period that you need to spend to apply for your ILR is not enough to know if this person is worthy of getting the permanent residency to remain in the UK. For you to qualify to apply for your indefinite leave to remain as an immigrant, you also have to prove that you do not have any criminal record. So your character eligibility has to check out. That's to say, you must not have been convicted of any crime in the UK before you apply for your ILR. If you've been convicted of any crime, they feel that you do not deserve, you're not worthy to get permanent residency leading to naturalization in the UK. The government has not released any official statement saying if they're going to go with this new plan or not. If you're an immigrant like me and you don't feel like you want to stay, you want to be tied to your employer for 8 years, you want to go through all this stress for another 8 years, the best thing to do, I've thought of, this is my personal opinion by the way, I'm not saying you should do it, I feel like it's just to look for other countries that have pathway like Canada, where you can just get your permanent residency directly. You do not need to have a job in the country. Just to research countries that have pathways that you can move to the country without you needing to have a job, just to have that as a plan B, just in case. A lot of you were asking if the IHS fees has been increased. I know that the government said that they're going to increase IHS fee, which they will publish officially, but right now there is no official IHS fee. Okay, so but the speculated price is around 1,090 something pounds. I'm not so sure, but that's like the speculated price. But the thing is, the good news is that if you're coming to the UK on a health and care visa, you are exempt from paying the IHS fee. So this IHS fee applies to other visa category, not the health and care visa category. So if you're coming on a care visa, doctor, nurses, midwife, you don't have to worry about the IHS fee increase because you are exempt from paying that. There's another new change to how they assess your immigration status. So this was updated on the 11th of September 2023. This I'm going to read out so that you get the full information. The government have decided to give some government departments and public authorities the automatic access to your immigration status information. Currently, these include Department of Works and Pension, the Drivers and Vehicle Licensing Agency, HM Revenue and Custom, Social Security Scotland, NHS England, NHS Wales, and Council using No Recourse to Public Funds Connect, a secure web-based data that local authorities can subscribe to use. You do not need to share your status to be able to access these services. Departments will confirm your identity and access the information directly. If the organization does not need to see your status, they will inform you and you will be able to use the View and Prove service to share your immigration status information with them. Before now, the only people that have access to your immigration status in the UK is Home Office. But now they are expanding it to other government agencies. So that's to say, NHS now can access your immigration status online. So if you go for medical treatment, and they can just log into the portal and check if you're a legal resident in the UK. Share this video to your loved ones or anyone that you think that is planning on coming to the UK, or anyone living in the UK. They need to be aware of these new changes. Also, let me know in the comments if you would like me to share with you on how you can assess and update your immigration status. If there's any changes to your situation, you actually need to log into your online portal and update it so that you don't travel out of the UK, and when you're coming back they'll be asking you so many questions because your status has not been updated. You can actually log in online to access your immigration status and update your profile. Once in a while it is advisable to go and update your profile so they are aware of any changes. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If this video was helpful, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.